Greetings everyone, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to show you how to add ACT to your Bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. I'm going to come into ACT, which you see right here is on my screen. I want to draw your attention up here to the web address for this page. To the left of it, there's these like lines with circles on the end. I'm going to click on that and hold, and I'm going to drag down and I'm going to drop it right here on my toolbar. So now when I come into ACT, if I close ACT, for example, and I have a new tab, I'll close ACT. If I want to get into ACT, I can just simply click on this. It will take me right to the login page. In this case, I haven't memorized some of my info. I click on Login. I choose the database in question, click on Launch ACT, and that's all there is to it. Now, if for some reason you don't see this Bookmarks bar in Google Chrome, come over to the right-hand side, click on the dots, and you'll notice right here it says Bookmarks and List. Because you see my bookmark already and it's there, I can hide it. If you weren't seeing it, it would say Show Bookmarks Bar. So that's how you can put ACT right on your bookmark to make it easy to get into and access as you open your web browser. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye now.